Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter comparing. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we're on right now is comparing. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is comparing review. Which group has more dots? Which group has more, right? You are given two of the groups. You have to see which group have more. Like how do we hello? Okay, so let's just start with an example. Which group has fewer? Okay, now we are given two of the groups, right? The green and the orange group. Let's just match them, right? So you can see when we are matching the dots, we still left with two more in orange group, right? But we don't have more in the green group, right? That means the green has the fewer and orange are more. So the correct option is green because we have to see which group has fewer, right? Okay, which group has more, the purple, the pink, or the blue? Let's just match, right? So we still have more in the pink group, right? That means the pink group has more dots. The correct option is pink group. Which group has more, blue or orange? Which is the correct option? The blue group has more, right? The correct option is blue. Which group has fewer? The purple, the blue. Today is Monday. Monday we have grade 1, 2, 3, and 4 maths. Xavier, you are talking about language? Yes, the blue group has more. The correct option is blue. Oh, sorry, the question is which group has fewer? Okay, which group has fewer, green or orange? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the green group has fewer dots. The correct option is green. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the basically we are comparing them, right? Let's just start with the next lesson. That is compare. How do we compare numbers? Which words make the statement true? You have 4 and 2. You have to see which one is greater. Like you have to see if either 4 is greater than 2 or less than 2, right? So when counting, you have 4 comes after 2. So if 4 comes after 2, that means 4 is greater than 2. The correct option is that means 4 is greater than 2 because 4 comes after. Got it? So 4 is greater than 2. Let's just start with the test questions. So if a number comes after the other number, that later one. Which words make the statement true? 2 and 1. So when we are counting, you have 2 comes after 1, right? That means 2 is greater than 1 because 2 comes after 1. So that means 2 is greater than 1. The correct option is 2 is greater than 1. Greater it is. Which words make the statement true? You have 4 and 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, when you count 4 comes after 2. So 4 is greater than 2. The correct option is greater. Got it? Which words make the statement true? 3 and 5. So which is the correct option? The correct option is when you count, you have 3 first in counting, then 5, right? That means 3 is less than 5. You guys are looking for the language. 3 is less than 5. Which words make the statement true? The correct option is 7 is greater than 6, right? When you count, you have 7 first, then 6. Which grade 5 session? So on Monday, we do grade 1, 2, 3, 4 for maths. And I think you're talking about language session. Which words make the statement true? 6 and 8, which is the correct option? Yes, 6 is less than 8. The correct option is 6 is less than 8. I don't know. I think she is off today. or maybe some technical issues. I asked the administrator. I will tell you in a while. Just wait, please. Which words make the statement true? 5 and 5, which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. 5 is equal to 5. The correct option is equal. Yes, please write the question. Which words make the statement true? Which is the correct option? 3 and 3. Yes, they both are exactly equal. 3 is equal to 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, that's grade 1 math. Which words make the statement true? 3 and 4. Yes, 3 is less than 4. The correct option is less than. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, which word statement true? 10 and 5, which is the correct option? Yes, 10 is greater than 5. The correct option is the correct option is 10 is greater than 5. Which words make the statement true? 3 and 4, 9 and 4, which is the correct option? Very good. 9 is greater than 4. When you count, you have 9 first and then you have 4. Sorry, you have 9 after the 4. So that that's why 9 is greater. The option is greater. Which words make the statement true? 5 and 4, which is the correct option? Yes, 5 is greater than 4. The correct option is greater. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which words make the statement true? 3 and 2, which is the correct option? Very good. 3 is greater than 2. The correct option is greater. Which words make the statement true? 10 and 10, which is the correct option? Yes, 10 is equal to 10. The correct option is equal, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Which words make the statement true? 1 and 5, which is the correct option? Less than it is, right? Because when you count, 1 is after the 5. So 1 comes first and then 5. So 1 is less than 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is now we are going to compare the bigger numbers like they are up to 100, right? So you have to do exactly the same one. That means that would be the greater one. Which words make the statement true? 66 and 66. So which is the correct option? They both are exactly equal, right? 66 is equal to 36. The correct option is equal. 66 is equal to 66, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which words make the statement 63 and 60, which is the correct option? The correct option is they both are exactly equal. Yes, they both are exactly equal. 63 is equal to 63. The correct option is equal. Which words make the statement true? 5 and 7. So when you count, you have 5 before 7, right? So 5 is less than 7. The correct option is less than. Which words make the statement true? 32 and 82. So which is the correct option? Yes, you have to look at the greatest digit, right? That like the greatest digit is 3. So you have, when you count, you have 32 first, then 82, right? Or the other way is 32 and 82. So when you count, you have 3 first, then 8, right? 3 comes before 8. That means then obviously 32 is greater than 32 is less than 82. You have to look for the digit that is at the highest place value, like 3 is at the tens place, right? So that is 32 is less than 82. The correct option is less than. Which words make the statement true? 45 and 41, which is the correct option? Grade 5 session is going to start soon. So you can please refresh the stream so that you can start with grade 5 session. Very good. 45 is greater than 41. The correct option is greater. The correct option is 45 is greater than 41. The correct option is greater. Can you guys please stop and go check for grade 5 session? Do not create mess here. Which words make the statement true? 3 or 5? 3 and 5. Which is the correct option? Yes, 3 is less than 5. The correct option is less than, because when you count, you have 3 before 5. So 3 is less than 5. Which words make the statement true 68 and 68? Yes, they both are exactly equal. 68 is equal to 68. They are equal. Which words make the statement true 68 and 68? Which is the correct option? Yes, they both are exactly equal. 66 is equal to 66. The correct option is equal. Which words make the statement true 75 and 61? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 75 is greater than 61. The correct option is greater. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Comparison word problems. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first example. Wilson and his sister went for a jog around their neighborhood. On Spruce Street, they saw one cat. Around the corner on 4th Avenue, they saw four more cats. Did they see more cats on Spruce Street or on 4th Avenue? So, on Spruce Street, they saw one cat, and on 4th Avenue, they. So, which is more, on Spruce Street, they saw more, or 4th Avenue? The correct option is 4th Avenue, because on 4th Avenue, they saw four cats, right? The correct option is 4th Avenue. Let's just start with the test questions. The swimming center owns five orange diving rings. It owns more green diving rings than orange rings. Green diving rings does the swimming center own? The swimming center own, they have five orange rings, right? Hold on. They have five orange rings. It owns more green diving. So five orange rings and green rings are more than orange rings, right? So they must be eight because two is not more than five, but eight is more than five. The correct option is eight. Got it? Then green diving rings must be more than orange diving rings. So the correct option is eight. The local Chinese restaurant has four cooks and one waiter. Are there fewer cooks or fewer waiters working at a restaurant? So, which is the correct option? Four cooks and one waiter, right? Who is like they have fewer cooks or fewer waiter? They have waiters, fewer waiters. The correct option is waiters, right? They have fewer waiters. Eva went to a fruit stand and bought two lemons. She bought more limes than lemons. How many limes did Eva buy? So, which is the correct option? She have two lemons, right? And she bought more limes than lemons, right? So that means that must be greater than two. The correct option is six. Option number two is the correct option. The library has five books about cars and four books about airplanes. Does the library have fewer books about cars or books about airplanes? Which is the correct option? The fewer books about airplane, right? Because four is less than five, so they have fewer books about airplanes. Option number two is the correct option. The local Chinese restaurant has 10 cooks and 8 waiters. Are there more cooks or waiters working at the restaurant? So, which is the correct option? Yes, they have. more cooks. The correct option is more cooks because 10 is more than 8, so they have more cooks. An average apartment building, there are four apartments with a view of the park. There are fewer apartments with a view of the street than with a view of a park. How many apartments have a view of the street? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is there are fewer apartments with a view of the street than with a view of the park. So here you have four apartments with a view of park. That means the one with a view of street are fewer. So they must be three. The correct option is three. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on so we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is comparing, and the lessons we have covered today are comparing review, comparing numbers up to 10, comparing numbers up to 100, and comparison word problems, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any to Skype. They are available from to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.